Welcome to the tutorial. In this session, we are going to take a look about Solidity and the IDE where we can write the smart contract using Solidity. You can log on to remix.ethereum.org and there you can see the online IDE for creating smart contract. On the left on the left side sidebar, you can see the workspace. You can create the folders, you can create the smart contract files, and on the Solidity compiler you can select the version of the compiler that you want to work with, and you can select the language, the VM versions, and in the deployment and run transaction section you can see the different environment. You can select a VM London or Berlin. In this tutorial we are going to select VM London, and below the environment you can see the different either accounts. These are for testing, these are not the real either accounts. And you can see the gas limit, Solidity static, and debugger. We are going to create a file. You can name anything you want. I'm gonna name it token.sol. SOL stands for Solidity. Okay, what is Solidity? Solidity is the primary code language currently used for implementing smart contracts. It is developed on the Ethereum platform. It allows to create smart contract and blockchain application. And to start the Solidity program, we have to mention the version. So in order to mention the version, we can write Pragma Solidity and the version that we want to work with. So I'm going to use 0.8.4 and semicolon. And what is Pragma means? What is Pragma Solidity means? So Pragma Solidity defines our compiler version of Solidity. So it's just defines the version, and so the Pragma Solidity just defines the version. So how do we start? How do we create a smart contract? So in order to create a smart contract, the first step you write is contract. So after that, just name the contract. Here I'm gonna name it token, followed by parentheses, opening and closing parentheses. Here is all the code leaves. So this is how we create the contracts. So just name the contract and write the contract inside the parentheses. So that's all, and in the next tutorial we will deep dive into how to create the contract, what are the data types in Solidity, and how can we run the Solidity contract. See you in the next tutorial.